Hi guys, welcome to another video of our candlestick series. So without wasting any much further time, we will start with our first type of candlestick that is known as Marubozu candlestick. So Marubozu candlestick is a type of a candlestick which represent a strong buying or a strong selling sentiment. It means the price will open at a place and from there it will just travel high and it will close. This will become a bullish Marubozu candle. Whereas in the bearish Marubozu candle, what will happen? Price will open and it will go all the way down and close it here. You can see in this candle that there are no wicks or there are no shadows. That simply means the sentiment was so bearish or the sentiment was so bullish that after the open, the price did not went down and closed all the way up, and in the case of bearish Marubozu, the price opened and closed all the way below. So this represents one of the most, what do you say, strongest sentiment in the market. If it's a bullish Marubozu, that means it is a bullish sentiment and it's a very strong bullish sentiment. And when it is a bearish Marubozu, it means it is a bearish sentiment. It's a very strong bearish sentiment. So I'll just show you one example. Here, you can see here that over here we are seeing a bullish Marubozu. It opened here and it traveled all the way up and closed here. And after the bullish Marubozu was made, the price continued to go up. You can see here also, this is also a type of a Marubozu candle only. See, we should not take anything in a literal sense. When we say Marubozu candle, it does not mean it will not have any shadow at all. It might have a little bit of shadow, but overall, yeah, this is what a typical Marubozu candle look like. You can see, but there is another a little bit of shadow here. So understand, whenever the price open and travels all the way up without making any kind of a shadow or a very small shadow, it represents a Marubozu candle. It can be a bullish Marubozu or a bearish Marubozu, and it represents a very strong sentiment in the market. So if you like the video and if you think you learned something, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. And if you feel like you want to add something to it, please drop it down over the comment section. Thank you for watching.